Hello, my name is Nelly Pavlova.
I'm Goran Nestorova.
Hello, my name is Yulia Stoyanova.
Hi, my name is Daniela Buyanova. I'm an artist from Bulgaria.
Merhaba, ben Tuba Marmara.
This is going to be my first time as participant in the China Autumn Fair.
I think it's so good to meet people all around the world, to exchange our cultures.
Artists, and especially ceramic artists, is the heaven on earth. Everyone needs to experience it.
I'm really excited to be able to share my work with all of the people that I'm going to meet there.
Onun için heyecanlı ve üretimlerime heyecanla devam ediyorum.
Welcome everybody to Sichuan Art Fair.
Herkesi Jingdezhe'ne, Taşoşuan'a, fuara davet ediyorum.
It's going to start at the 17th of October.
We hope to see you there.